Have you ever heard a school bell ring when no one's alive to ring it? In a small mountain town in Japan, the old Kurobane High was abandoned after a mysterious fire took 30 students' lives. But every night at exactly 2:13 a.m., the bell rings once. Locals say it's the dead period, when the lost students relive their final lesson. One night, Yumi, a thrill-seeking student, sneaks in with her camera. The halls are dark, lined with melted desks and charred uniforms. She laughs nervously.
Guess the ghosts overslept.
Then ding. The sound echoes cold and metallic. Lights flicker, desks shift. Shadows stretch across the walls, too long, too thin. From the blackboard, burned figures crawl out, faces melted, eyes hollow, mouthing a single word. Attend. Yumi runs, exit door slams shut. The final bell rings, ding, and her reflection in the window now wears a charred uniform. Outside, the bell tower glows red again. The number of dead students is now 31.